1/3 of people over 85 have Alzheimer's disease. But it could be a lot less if people were trained to spot the early signs and intervene sooner. This video is all about preparing you to spot the early signs so that you could look out for your loved ones. Alzheimer's isn't something that you just wake up with one day. It's a process of brain degeneration that happens over years or even decades. In many people, the earliest symptom is something called mild cognitive impairment, which is basically trouble with thinking and problem solving. 1/3 of people with mild cognitive impairment will develop Alzheimer's within 5 years. So how do you spot it? Well, here are the top 3 things to look out for. First, is there a change from baseline? Looking back 1 or 2 years ago, was this person thinking more clearly? Specifically, are they having trouble with memory? Things like forgetting appointments, losing things, and repeating themselves are all things to look out for. And keep in mind that those who start with memory problems are at much higher risk of developing Alzheimer's. Number 2, are the changes consistent? Is this a daily issue or just once in a while? If it's daily or every other day, it's probably time to call the doctor. And number 3, is it interfering with their life? Are they using workarounds to accommodate the changes in how clearly they're thinking? For example, they used to drive on main roads, but now they take back roads to avoid accidents. If so, that's also cause for concern. It's extremely important to pay attention and identify symptoms as early as possible, because once certain brain functions are lost, it's unfortunately very difficult to recover them. Our current treatments are pretty effective at slowing the progression of Alzheimer's, but unfortunately they can't stop the disease or reverse it. Also, in the US, there's no preset screening to test patients for Alzheimer's at a certain age. The system really relies on people going to their doctors and reporting that they're feeling different. For all these reasons, it's extremely important to pay attention to your own health and the health of your loved ones and take action as early as you can. If you're worried about someone, I recommend having them speak to their primary care physician who can do a preliminary screening. As always, please take care of yourself and those around you, and thank you for your interest.